Hey everyone, welcome to my fall look today. I'm Holly Carter. I have been in the skincare business for 28 years, and I am going to do a fall color today. I'm here to help busy women look and feel more confident inside and out without expensive treatments and procedures. So today I saw a pumpkin spice look on Facebook, and I thought, hey, I'm going to test that out. Everybody is really getting into that right now. And it's finally starting to feel like fall here in San Diego. I've actually got trees with leaves changing. So, and the weather, I can definitely feel the difference. So I just kind of felt like, hey, let's test out a fall look. So these are the colors that I'm gonna try. I've got like a copper blush. I've got a highlighter here. The eyeshadows are mostly, I've got gold here, copper here, bronze here, and then these are shimmer, and then these are matte. I've got black. I've got a kind of a cinnabar one, and this one's sort of biscotti. So it's very cream with a slight bit of yellow. Okay, so I've already done one eye. I haven't done eyeliner or anything like that. So we're gonna get started, but first, please hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. And please grab my guide, 10 Tips to a Younger Me Without a Trip to the Dermatologist. And please let me know what you're interested in hearing about. I'm always looking for new content. And I know makeup tutorials are always great, but sometimes it's nice to switch gears. So please communicate with me and let me know what you're interested in. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna take my all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna dip it in the lightest shade, which is this biscotti color. And that's gonna go, it's gonna go just under my brow and kind of on the inner corner, just a little bit. Okay, then I'm gonna grab this cinnabar, which is the middle one down here on the bottom. And I'm gonna kind of put that just sort of all over my lid. It's just not a super dark color. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit on that bone. Okay. I'm gonna grab the copper that's in here in the middle next. And that's gonna go kind of in my crease and up on that bone. Since I have hooded eyes, that's why I kind of go up on the brow bone, so you can actually see my shadow if you don't know why to do that. Okay, I'm gonna grab my fluffy brush and blend that in. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the bronze shade that's right here. And I'm gonna do that sort of in the outer corner. The look that I saw on Facebook, actually, I kind of tweaked it a little. It had a lot of black, and I'm just gonna go run around and do some errands. I do have an appointment later, but I didn't feel like I needed to full glam it up to do that. So I might add a tinge of black, we'll see, but I just kind of wanted to keep it simple. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my blush, my blending brush again, and I'm gonna blend that, just do circles, blend it in really good. Okay, now I'm gonna take that gold color and I'm just gonna kind of go on the inner corner, just a little bit. Just creates kind of a nice, you kind of want to go lighter to darker, and it just sort of creates a nice coppery look. Okay, I'm also going to take my brush and take the bronze one, and I'm going to go underneath my on my lower lashes. All right, I'm gonna grab black eyeliner. And I'm going to could use brown if you wanted. It would be not quite as dramatic probably. I'm just in a black liner mood today. And I'm just doing really short strokes. This is a real creamy eyeliner. It's waterproof. And I also take a brush and I just sort of smooth it out. You can use a smudger brush to smooth it out if you want, or just sometimes I just take a real skinny fine brush and go over the lines. Let me do the other side. If you wanted to make this a nighttime look, easily you could do that with probably the black. Put the black in the corners, the eyeshadow in your outer corners, and that will really glam it up a lot. Okay, let me smudge that out a little bit. Okay. Now let me do a little bit underneath. One of the trends right now is also to use two different eyeliners, colors, like use a black and then use a brown, which I could do. It would make it not, you know, it's not so, might be a little softer look, but that's up to you. Okay, now I gotta even them out. And I always like to have Q-tips on hand in case I mess it up, which happens, especially with black eyeliner. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my eyelash curler. And I'm gonna use an intensity mascara. One of the things you can do is you can also take several different types of mascara. I think I mentioned this last week, but you can take several different formulas of mascara and utilize them. You don't have to wear just one type all the time. You can wear multiple types at once. I mean, I like to put on multiple coats of mascara, so I can do one of lash intensity, one of waterproof, like whatever, it doesn't matter. So test that out and see what you think. I'm just gonna stick to this one today. Definitely if I'm going out, like if I'm going out at night, I'm gonna use several more coats of mascara than I would just for the daytime. That's an easy thing to do, glam it up for dinner. You're going out to dinner. I would, like I said, do the black in the corners, and then extra coats of mascara. And then just jazz up your lip color a little more. You could wear a nude color for the day and then either maybe a red or, you know, maybe not such a nude color. Just add a little more color to it. You can do that with an actual lipstick. You could do it with a gloss. You could do it with a lip liner, because a lip liner is also going to change the shade of the lipstick that you put on. So you could have a nude lipstick and put a different lip liner on, a darker lip liner or a red lip liner or whatever. You know, test it out first, but you could use a different lip liner to change the color of the lipstick. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and just sort of clean this up. For the most part, these eyeshadows there's not a lot of fallout, thankfully. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer, and I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and just sort of clean up this corner, and always make it go up so that your eye looks lifted. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the blush, and I'm using this copper sort of blush. Now the color's pretty strong, so I'm gonna be really careful with it. And I'm just going to lightly stipple it kind of and do in circles so it blends really well. Change my mirror view so I can see. Oops. Okay. Now I'm going to take that highlighter, and I'm just going to take a little bit of the edge of my brush, and I'm going to go just on the top of where I put the blush, like just above it. And I'm also going to kind of carry it up here, like make a C around my eye. Okay, so that kind of came out stronger than I thought, but I'm going to use sort of a nude. I've got 2 shades of lip liner. I'm going to use this. It's called Beige Nude. Okay, and then I'm going to take, let's see what color this is. Got to put my glasses on. I have a couple of nude shades here. This one's called Bashful You. I may try that. Let's see. I think I like that. That has just a little bit of color. I have another one called Subdued Nude, and it's a lot less color, and sometimes it just kind of washes me out. But I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to take this bronze lip gloss and just go over the top. Oh, I really like that. That's pretty. Super simple. And then, like I said, you can take some of this black if you wanted and just go in the corner. Actually, I'll do a little bit here. A little goes a long way. Put a little bit in the corner. I'm going to blend that. Blend it really good. So you can see just a little bit, you know, I don't want to put too much more on, but it can just add a touch more drama to your eye. So it can make a great, and then if you want to smoke it out, you can just take a little bit of it and just go underneath. Like that. And that will just glam it up for nighttime. Okay, so what do you think? I think I like this pumpkin spice. So please hit the subscribe button, share with your friends, and let me know what you're interested in learning about. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks so much for joining.